So parents, not just parents, but all citizens have the right, protected by our Constitution, to address any level of government they have with their grievances, whether that be a school board, local government, state government, or the federal government. And the memorandum that the federal government sent down, basically telling the FBI to keep an eye on parents who are upset with policies from local school boards, I think has a chilling effect on speech and is something that should be absolutely condemned. Parents have the absolute right to let folks know what they think about what's happening in their schools. And I was just very concerned that those rights were being trampled on. I'm very disappointed, quite frankly, that the Democrats didn't go along with this, what I was hoping would be a bipartisan resolution. The reality is, big government, is a real threat to the freedoms that we hold dear. And unfortunately, I think the pendulum is swinging towards larger, more intrusive government. And that memorandum from the federal government about using the FBI and other federal law enforcement to keep an eye on parents who are going to school board meetings should really, really concern people. That being said, people shouldn't be screaming at school board members. People shouldn't be harassing school board members. People should act respectfully at all levels. But having the federal government, the answer to inappropriate behavior at school boards is not the federal government. The answer is to help people make sure their voices get heard and create access throughout. So I'm obviously very disappointed the Democrats didn't go along with it. But the reality is, my job and the jobs of all of us who are elected officials, one of the most primary concerns, if not the most primary concern, is to protect the rights of our constituents. And frequently the biggest threat to those rights come from big government, and I think the resolution today was based on that. And again, I'm disappointed that the Democrats didn't support it.